Hello. In this short movie, I will show you three examples of different ways to select blocks in the FMI reports. The first block that you can select is just a normal block like you see here. So you can see a block that consists of a top line, and we have selected three lines underneath, and the other is not selected. It's been calculated automatically. So the way to select this is really explained in the guide that you have seen, and there is a tutorial also available. The second type of block is used in the brand insights, and that is this kind of block. And what is special about this block is that there are multiple levels. So we have the top line level, which is similar to a normal block, and we have the first level, which is also equal to this first block, but there is also a second level, and there's even a third level, which is hidden by default. So you can dive a little bit deeper into the details. So how do we get these multiple levels? Because this one is these first two are just selected the way you are used to, but these are a little bit different. And what is different is actually really easy to select a line, because each of these lines are just selected like any other line. But to determine that it is a second level or a third level, we need to add spaces in front of the name that we give it. So for the first level, we just need to add three spaces in front of Colgate Total here. And it will be shown as the second level. And if we want to go further, and if we want to add the third level of lines, we will add six spaces in front of it. And if you add six spaces, it will be hidden by default. It is used in a brand insights primarily, but you could even use it in a category insights if you want. The third way of selecting is all about NPD tracking. If we go to the NPD track view, you can see this. What we have here is we have a group of NPDs, and we call it Colgate Total Tire 1. And there are five different SKUs underneath that. How do we select this? This is really easy. It is just, if we go to the overview, we can see it. Here they are. So these are just lines like the first block. So you will start with the total line of the group of NPDs that you want to track. Usually you will need a hashtag in front of that, because usually you don't have that as a single line. And then you just add the different items that you would want to have. So if we go to the exact Nielsen range, I can show you a little bit better. So that one is here. We go to range properties. So here we have the total of all the different items that we want to track, and we sum it into this sum of Colgate Tier 1. And because it is a sum of multiple lines, we add a hashtag so that distribution facts are being interpreted right. And then we have the different types of lines that we want to track. So these will be visible in the NPD tracker as separate items. And if we do it like that, it will end up here in the NPD tracker. And you can track the group of items just the way you want it. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. If there's anything not clear, just ask your colleague. There are a lot of people that really know very well how to do this. And otherwise, of course, you can contact me to get some further information. Thank you and good luck with selecting the data.